Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you get in too many Amazon notifications, order updates, these recommendations, each adds up fast. So Amazon lets you control exactly what type of alerts you receive. You can manage them all in just a few taps. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you all on how to actually manage your notifications in Amazon Shopping in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, if you are using an Android, iOS, or any type of mobile, you can easily access notification settings through the system settings. You're gonna basically just go through settings, look for apps, look for Amazon Shopping app, then scroll down until you see notifications. Then you can turn them off or set them as you want. But we are talking here about the actual Amazon app notifications. So for me right now, I'm using Amazon.com. I'm gonna show you how. So go to Amazon.com, log in using your email address and password. Then I'm gonna go here basically. So for example, as you see, I'm here. But for you guys on mobile, you will be able to see all of them notifications, including the Alexa notifications, purchase reminders, and all of this. So on desktop, we have this thing called communication and content. As you see, we have email subscriptions, advertising preferences, communication preference, shipment updates via text, Alexa shopping notifications, videos you have uploaded, and any purchase reminders. So go all the way from here, select whatever you want, for example, email subscriptions, then come here and browse all subscriptions if you wanna change any of them, basically depending on your choice. And that's the main idea here. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.